In today's video, I'll teach you how to find saved items on Facebook Marketplace. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, Facebook has been opened. Now what you have to do is go to the menu interface, tap on the menu icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options like memories, saved, groups, reels, etc. Tap on the option Marketplace. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the Marketplace interface. So if you have saved something on Marketplace, you'll be able to find it. First of all, let me show you how to save it. For example, I'm just going to tap on this item. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find the details regarding this item. If you tap on the option save, you can see over here this will be saved. So if you want to find the saved item, for that what you have to do is simply tap on the profile icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for saved items. Tap on it. Once you do that, you'll be able to see all the items that you've saved in the Facebook Marketplace over here. So that is how you find saved items on Facebook Marketplace. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.